Yep.
Good morning, class. This morning, our group would like to show you the different types of energy consumption, namely in Saudi Arabia, China, and Japan. We are going to address the percentages and the statistics of the consumed energy in each of the previously mentioned countries. The focus of our presentation will be coal, biomass, and oil. So it's over to Wang Yin to outline the situation of the consumed energy in China.
Thank you, Karen. Firstly, I will show you a picture about the situation in China. Obviously, coal is the most significant resources in China, which accounts for 70%. As for oil, which represents 20%, and the rest resources, all of them, including natural gas, nuclear, or whatever, it's only accounts for 10% totally. So we can summarize that coal dominates the main resources in China. Now let's welcome Hera to describe some information about her country.
I would like to show you a graph about the net resources used in Japan, comparing with China. As Wang Yin has told about the resources used in China, I would like to discuss about the terms of energy consumption in Japan. So, as you can see, the main resources used in Japan is biomass, followed by petroleum, coal, natural gas, and hydraulic. Comparing with the usage of coal, it is much more less than China. And in addition, these resources are not from Japan because Japan rarely has most of these resources, so Japan imports from other countries. And that's it for Japan. Now, Karim will talk about the natural resources in Saudi Arabia.
Hi, we have already talked about China and Japan and the energy consumption in both of the countries. But what about Saudi Arabia? If we look at the graph, it's quite obvious that we only have two sources of energy, starting with oil, which constitutes the biggest part of energy consumption, with about 56%. And by the way, Saudi Arabia is known to have 1/5 of the world's oil reserves, and thus there's a significant independence on oil. Natural gas, as you see, accounts for 44% of the energy consumption, and unlike Japan or China, we don't have much diversification of resources of energy. So we basically depend on natural gas and oil, unlike the other both countries of my colleagues. Now, I'll invite Wang Yin to come back and conclude about the three countries.
Okay. Right then, it's certainly true that different countries have different resources. Our group has summarized two main points. Firstly, South Arabia and China mainly depend on their natural resources such as oil and coal. But Japan, the situation is more environmental friendly because their mainly resources is biomass. Secondly, as we mentioned before, South Arabia and China rely on their local resources, but Japan imports the main resources from other countries. And thank you for listening.